Hi, and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you the best way of displaying KPIs. So some people will probably use the option of creating a sheet and then plugging in the number and then doing the same over and over again in a way that we have done this here. There is an easier way. So what you can do instead is we'll just drag it in here to show you guys. Instead, you can have just one sheet with the measures plugged in, because you know how annoying it can be trying to format one of the sheets every time. So you have to adjust the way that the data is displayed here and so on. But instead, you can just this one sheet, and also that way you only send one query to Tableau to display the data instead of 1, 2, 3. And how do you do that? Is by going in here. So we'll start one from scratch. You drag in measure names, preferably into your filter first, and then you just select the metrics that you want to display. Then you drag measure names into your columns and measure values into your text. And voila, you have your little KPI dashboard, and then you just have to format. But when you format, you just format it all across. I hope this helped you in your Tableau journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thanks so much.